In 1665, amidst the plague of London, a young Isaac Newton sat inside his home, much as we are all now. William Shakespeare sat alone in his home for months, under the shadow of fear of the bubonic plague. Mexican artist Frida Kahlo lay bedridden for weeks after a bus accident almost took her life. Each of these world changes could have sat paralyzed by fear and anxiety, but they didn't. Newton developed theories for calculus, optics, and gravity during his time of isolation. Shakespeare wrote his epic tragedy, Antony and Cleopatra. Kahlo painted her first self-portrait, prompting her to leave her pursuit of medicine and become an artist that changed our world. So maybe it's time to shift our perspective. Maybe this isn't a time of isolation. Maybe it's a time of solitude and introspection. And this isn't about discovering the next scientific breakthrough or writing the next great work of fiction. It's about searching inside and asking some different questions and being open to different answers. Thomas Edison said the best thinking has been done in solitude. So take this time to think. Maybe you'll discover something or someone that you were not expecting.